Hey, Ride Time, two locations. This here is a 2013 Dodge Charger RT with the Hemi engine. Has fog lights at the front. Those are 20-inch blacked out alloy rims with the RT logo. Here, I'll show you right there. Awesome. Coming around the back, it has backup camera with the sensors, which makes it a lot easier to reverse this vehicle. Body in fantastic shape, of course. Overall, a beauty of a car. All right, so that is it for the exterior. So why don't we hop inside, take a look at the interior. Okay, let's start with the power windows, power locks, and power side mirrors. And just up by the handle is the memory seat, so you could, have two different seat settings for each driver. And then just showing you down here that you do get Beats audio, so it'll have a premium sound system in here. All right, shutting the door now. And on the left side of the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel is the voice control and calling buttons. And on the right side, you have your cruise control. And there's also adaptive cruise control, so it'll change your speed depending on how close the car is in front of you. And then here and here are your paddle shifters. Now going over to the center console, push start ignition, and then it's an 8.4-inch touchscreen. You do get Sirius Satellite Radio, which you get 3 months through us. Then you can deal with different audio. You can Bluetooth your phone, play music that way, or whichever. You got your controls, so you get heated seats in the front and passenger seat, as well as cooled seats. So it's like an air-conditioned seat, and then a heated steering wheel, of course. And then you got your climate. You can go into nav, so you're gonna get navigation, all that stuff right there, and then your phone. And if I put it in reverse, that's where the backup camera will be. Okay, just going down the rest of the way, you have your SD card slot and your CD player, and then a 12-volt right there to say charge a phone or tablet. Going down here, you have two cup holders, but they have a heated and cooling button, so if there's a cold drink, press the cold, keep it cold, and same with hot. Open this up, and in here you have an auxiliary and USB and another 12-volt, so many ways to charge and play music. Passenger seat looks great. It's a leather cloth combo, and that is a powered seat as well. Back seat looks beautiful, and those two seats there, can be heated as well. I forgot to mention that there is a sunroof in here, as well as a universal garage door opener. Okay, so that will do it for in here. So why don't we step out front and tell you how you get a vehicle just like this. So this is just one of the many fantastic vehicles that you can get with us here at Ride Time. You can always check us out online at ridetime.ca or give us a call toll free at 1-855-595-RIDE. Again, that is 1-855-595-RIDE, or coming down to one of our two locations, either 715 Pembina Highway or 87 Oak Point Highway, which is at the corner of Route 90 in Selkirk. We do offer financing as low as 0% OAC, so come check us out. Again, this has been Ride Time. We're your ticket to ride.